Levels of international marketing. Levels of international marketing. We have the domestic marketing, export marketing, international marketing, and global marketing. Domestic, export, international marketing, global marketing. In the domestic marketing, it has least international commitment. Why? Because the focus is domestic. In the export level of marketing, we have limited international commitment. Not least, but limited international commitment. Why? Because it involves direct or indirect export. At the international level, we have substantial international commitment because we have gone international. The focus is on individual countries or regions. Say you have your products manufactured in America and the products are being, taken internationally across continents. Europe, Africa, in some part of regions, parts of continents around the world, you get your products, moving across the international and boundaries to be able to meet the needs of customers internationally. So the focus is on individuals for your goods and services. The focus is individuals across countries, across regions. Under international marketing, it is key that you understand the need of the market in the places you want to internationalize. Don't forget that. Very, very important on that international market. And then global marketing, extensive international commitment, and the focus is on segments rather than countries or regions. You're looking at segments. Segments. Drivers of international expansion, we have competition and regional economic and political integration. We also have technology, which is very, very essential as a driver of international expansion. We cannot do without technology today. It is very important that we are able to put this into consideration. Improvements in infrastructure, economic growth, and transition to market economy. Transition to market economy. Firm-specific drivers. Firm-specific drivers. Product life cycle considerations. New product development cost. Standardization, scale economics, etc., and experience transfers and part of that. Someone would say, I do not need a drill, I need a hole. Thank you.